Yeah, my people, you know that morning can be busy, but that doesn't mean that we skip breakfast or morning cafe. So here I'm making my coffee this morning. Yeah, and after that, my breakfast, after the school run, then let us make this breakfast together. You will like it, especially if you are trying to lose your weight. This breakfast will take you the whole day without you feeling any more hungry. Are you with me? Yes, let's go. So before we start, let us start by arranging my kitchen. I did not arrange my kitchen yesterday night because after work and everything, I was so tired. So I just leave everything the way they are. So even today, I have afternoon shift. So, but before then, the kids are no longer here. So let us arrange the kitchen before we start our wonderful breakfast. So you can tell me in the comment section, how do you manage your day? Hmm? How are you guys managing, especially those that are in Western world? How are you managing? Because we don't have help. We do things on your own, especially if your children are still small. So here, my daughter, she's 11 years old. She made this Oreos cake day before yesterday, but they did not eat it again. So I'm removing it now. So my people, my people, my people, let us continue. After working, we work from morning till night and still go outside the work also. Yeah, it isn't easy, but what can we do? We will continue to live our life here in the Western world. You know, life here is never an easy thing. Yeah. So stay with me. Let me finish arranging the kitchen and I will show you how to make this wonderful breakfast that will cost you only $2 or €2 every morning and you will like it. Yes, you like it. It's very, very easy to make also. I will state everything step by step without you looking at it. And it's kids friendly. Your children will like it also if you can be able to make it. You can make this thing before they go to school. If they are the ones that eat normally at home before going to school, you can easily make it with whatever you have at home because some of the ingredients is what we have at home. You don't need to go outside and buy. So wow, after arranging my kitchen, after watching the place and everything, look at my kitchen. It's shining and glittering. So yeah. So my people, my people, my people, it's now right time for us to make our pancake. First, let me mix my topping. So I have my yogurt and honey. Yes, this one is natural yogurt. That's yogurt without sweetness. Yeah. I added honey for the topping of my pancake this morning. So you have to mix the yogurt with honey. Do it anyhow you like, but what I'm using is what I have at home. So the next thing here is my blender. Let us make the pancake. First, I have 200 gram of quicker oats. Yeah, almost that. All of us have quicker oats at home. So if you don't have, please kindly buy and keep at home. It's very important. Okay. And another one is milk. The 3.5% milk. And this is 200 ml of milk. There's a cup of milk. Then the second thing I'm adding here is egg. One egg, you add one egg for your protein. So as you add the egg, the next thing we add here is our banana. You use just one banana as one of it to give it a little bit of sweetening because banana is sweet now. So, and it's also fruit. So here's my banana. I added banana and I want it to be a little bit hot, a little bit pepperish. I added one hot pepper and a little bit of baking powder. So you use a little bit of baking powder, but this is if you want to add baking powder. So I might like to add a little bit of baking powder, and I added one onions. Just use small or medium onion. You cut it and put everything in your blender, you know. Yeah, you blend them together so that we will get a little bit of softness. And here is cinnamon. You add a little bit of cinnamon. You know the advantages of cinnamon. Why try to use yeah, wait. Then after adding everything together, try to blend it, you know. Joke apart, this pancake is the best thing you will sit back and learn how to do. On a more serious note, it's very nice. Normally I do eat this almost every day before going to work. If I reach my working place, no more hunger. Yes, because hunger will make you be eating anyhow. But if you eat something good, something delicious, that is, yeah, you will be full, especially this. You will be full. So look at the texture of the mixture, So here is my frying pan. I added a little bit of butter. So if you like, you can use oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, whatever you have at home. So you don't need to pressure yourself in this case. Just be yourself. Make use of whatever you have at home, okay? So I added a little bit of oil, butter. So after the butter melted, here is the pancake. You add all the pancake because it's just only one portion, just for me. If you make for more 2 or 3 people, you don't need to add it at once. You have to divide it because quick and oat is not like normal flour. So as I added all my mixture in this frying pan, make sure that is non-stick frying pan. So after everything, you cover your pot in lower your heat. So after like 5 minutes, you come and check. Look at the up is already dry. So you use something to shake to make sure that the pancake did not gum on your frying pan. Yes. After checking, you use something else, plate or the cover of the frying pan, cover it and flip it. You cannot flip this the way you are flipping your normal flour, because 2 of them are not the same. So as I flip it, it's on the fire. Let me finish up my kitchen, what I used to blend the ingredient for the pancake. Let me clean up the place so that when the pancake is done, it's time to eat. So here is my pancake is done and dusted. So my toppings here, banana. I cut banana. Even if you don't have extra banana, you can eat it like that, okay? But as I have banana, I added banana, and here is that yogurt that I mix, that plain yogurt and honey that I mix. I add them together, my dear. If you taste this pancake, you'll come back and thank me later. Yeah, come back and thank me. So don't forget, don't flip it the way you are flipping your normal pancake because it will scatter. So you flip it up by covering the pot. Yes. So look at me here. I'm eating my pancake. That's my morning breakfast. This is so good that with the topping. What makes it so good is the topping. Let me not lie. It's the topping, the honey and the yogurt. This is the best thing. If you have nuts also, after mixing everything together, You just spray the nuts, any nut, mandel, anything nut, even groundnut self, spray it on top of the yogurt and honey. Look at, I finished everything. My, I finished everything. Thank you, my wonderful people. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and on the notification button. I will be bringing you more tips, okay? Thank you. Bye.